everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another episode of Flip Bike. So we're going to be working on the Diamondback again. This is hopefully the final build episode, and then we'll ride it and hopefully it'll find a new home. So stay tuned. I'm going to put some forks on it. I'll show you the forks here in a second. That's going to go on the bike, and new set of tires, and that'll be it. So thanks, and I don't know, thanks for watching and all that stuff. So here's the fork that's going on the recoil. It's a Lutu 32 air fork. These things are, you know, super popular, especially on the YouTube here. A lot of guys are testing these things out and putting them on bikes like this. So for the money, I figured why not try it myself. It's got the rebound down there, compression and lockout up here. They seem to work pretty okay, and as this is probably going to a first-time mountain bike rider, I feel like they'll be perfectly up to the task, to the challenge, whatever that person's going to do to them. So anyway, I'm going to get these on the bike, and then we're going to put the tires on. So let's see here. Maybe we'll try something like this. How do I get them on there? I just probably like, oh, huh. Well, that was easy. No, in all seriousness, it was not too easy. The Crown Race that was on this XCT Suntour fork, it's kind of a nightmare. It took a lot of prying to save it, but I did save it. It is on there. Everything is greased back up, and the Lutu is on. Now we just got to put our tires on. Ignore the disgusting shop. So for tires, I went with these, I have no idea, Fincci. They were super cheap on Amazon. They actually seem pretty decent. They're obviously not tubeless ready. They're pretty flimsy, but they got pretty good tread on them. They call themselves an Enduro tire, so we'll get them on there, and then I'll kind of just give a close-up of everything we've done to the bike. All right, ignore the dirty, blown-up CR250 in the background. So this is the build. I'm hopefully going to take it and ride it tomorrow out at Turkey Run for a little bit, but just to kind of go over everything we've done to it. So we put on that D&M air shock, we took off a super heavy coil, and we have put on a 1x8 drivetrain, stock derailleur that came on the bike, just this square tapered 1x setup. And if we come to the front, well, we got a new shorter stem. Unfortunately, still got the kind of narrow bars, which, you know, maybe could be updated to like something that's like a 760 or 780. I think it's only like about 680 right now. We got this Lutu air fork. I'll tell you what I think about that tomorrow. We just got that on there. And well, I don't know, whenever I upload the video, you'll find out what I think about it. And we also got these Fincci 27.5 by 2.35, what they call Enduro tires on there. Took off the bulb ones that were on it. So we'll see how this thing does tomorrow. It's been pretty fun.